You can chop onions, whip eggs, chop ham and peppers, even grate cheese, all at the same time for the fastest, easiest omelet ever. You can make homemade soup from scratch to make a zesty filling that you can heat and serve for hot, delicious quesadillas the whole family will love. All three ready to heat and serve, all in 10 seconds or less. You can do small, everyday jobs like chopping garlic or onions without the sticky, smelly mess in just 3 seconds. Grate cheese in just 4 seconds. Then screw on the handy shaker top and sprinkle onto pasta or pizza. Or turn ice, coffee, milk, and chocolate syrup into a fancy frozen coffee drink in just 7 seconds.
Now watch how fast it grates even hard cheeses with no trouble at all. Right in the bullet cup.
Look at that. It's done. Seconds, right? Now, I'm going to put on the shaker top. Remember this? Just twist it on. Look at that. Fresh grated Parmesan cheese for your fettuccine Alfredo. Isn't that great?
Wait a minute. You made 2 completely different pasta dishes in less than 2 minutes?
It takes me longer than that to make the phone call to order a pizza.
And no great meal is complete without a bit of dessert, right?
Right.
Watch this. I'm just going to mix a little bit of cream with a couple of tablespoons full of chocolate syrup. Look at that. Watch this. Now I'm going to screw on the flat blade. That's the whipping blade. Remember that, Berman, right? Watch this. Give it a quick spin, and have you got 6 seconds? Then you've got plenty of time to whip up a delicious dessert. See that? That's it, you're done. And now, look at that. You've got a delicious, fluffy chocolate mousse. It tastes delicious, and you just saw it made in front of your eyes in just 6. Get into the on position, and in just seconds, the magic bullet crushes a whole mug full of ice into a smooth, frosty, frozen beverage. So now, you've got a fresh, delicious, virgin strawberry margarita. Look at that. Ready to drink right in its own frosty mug.
So everyone gets their favorite, made and served right in the same mug. You could spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a counter full of kitchen appliances. Does any job in 10 seconds or less.